What is adverse selection? Adverse selection is a situation where one party in a transaction has more information than the other, leading to unfair risk distribution. In simple words, adverse selection happens when people with higher risk are more likely to enter a deal while lower risk people stay away. Adverse selection usually occurs before a contract is made. It is common in insurance, lending, and financial markets. For example, in health insurance, people who know they have health problems are more likely to buy insurance. Healthy people may decide not to buy it. As a result, the insurance company ends up covering mostly high-risk individuals. This increases costs for the insurer. In lending, borrowers who know they are financially unstable may be more eager to take loans. Lenders may not fully know the borrower's true risk level. This creates higher chances of default. Adverse selection happens because of information asymmetry. Information asymmetry means one party has more or better information than the other. Because of adverse selection, markets can become inefficient. Prices may increase to cover higher risk. This may drive low-risk participants out of the market even more. To reduce adverse selection, companies use screening methods. For example, insurance companies require medical exams. Banks check credit scores and financial history before approving loans. These actions help reduce hidden risk. In simple terms, adverse selection is when higher-risk individuals are more likely to enter a deal because they know more about their own situation. Easy way to remember: adverse selection means hidden information creates higher risk before a deal is made.